Hello guys, this is Help&Tech&You. In this tutorial we're going through how to add comments on Twitch as a mod. Probably you reached a point in your streaming career when you have more than hundreds but not thousands of viewers, followers. We would like to add some comments that basically just only mods can use, or the mods would like to add some comments. We're going through each possible solutions, so let's get into it. There are some basic Twitch commands that you can use and your moderators can use. These are like block, unblock, timeout, and other important commands that you can find in our article. One of the best OBS and Twitch extension is NightBot. With NightBot you can create any automatization, add new commands, and use features like pause. After you're authorized your account with Nighbot, you just need to create a new command. For that, you should type in command, add the command name and the string that you would like to use. If you are already using Streamlabs for its donation purposes or for alerts, you can use their Cloudbot feature. If you enabled the Cloudbot, then you can type in the chat that add command, the command name, and the string that we would like to use. I hope that you like this quick tutorial. Get subscribed to find other solutions and tutorials, and check our website help-tech-you.com.